Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reopen a closed Fundbox account. If your Fundbox account has been closed, whether due to inactivity, repayment issues, or by your own request, it may still be possible to reopen it. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process and to restore access. Let's get into it. Now, reasons an account might be closed could be due to voluntary closure by the business owner, could also be to extended inactivity on the platform, delinquent payments or breach of agreement, as well as eligibility reassessment by Fundbox, or it could be failure to update key business information. Next is a step-by-step guide to reopening your Fundbox account. So first thing you got to do is to contact Fundbox support. Reach out directly to initiate the reopening process. Support at fundbox.com with the subject request to reopen closed account, and then you're going to include your business name. Include in your message your full name and email used for registration, as well as reason for account closure, of course, if you know it. Also, confirmation that you'd like to reactivate the account, and you're going to need to include any updates to your business status, bank connections, or your financials. Next is to be ready for reevaluation. Fundbox may treat your request as a new application if the account has been closed for a long time or due to a serious issue. You may be asked to reconnect your bank account, provide updated business financial data, submit identity and ownership documents, as well as to clear any outstanding balances if applicable. Next is to wait for reviews or response. Fundbox will review your request and notify you of their decision, typically within 3 to 5 business days. And if approved, your line of credit or invoice financing may be reinstated, or you might receive a new offer based on updated data. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.